I have a question. Where's your driver's license?
I have one.
You what? Where is it?
Right here.
Where's your license that says you're of age and can drive?
Put your head like a dog.
Show me your license and your registration.
So this is Zion.
So this is Zion.
We have a little thing so we can be in.
Uh-oh, are you locked in?
No, we have this.
Okay.
Here to switch it. And
Yeah.
then it opens.
Again, where is your driver's license? Where your license?
It's right here.
That's the steering wheel. Where's your license?
What is that?
What is that? Okay. Let's see how well you drive without a license.
Can we go now?
Yeah, we can go.
Yeah, you can drive over there in the parking lot.
Ooh, child. Ooh, child.
Come on.
Oh, dear. Wow. Look at who don't got a license. Whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Hey, don't hit me now.
Whoa. Where you going?
Why are you so mad?
Okay, don't mess with the bird. Okay, I think we got to go this way to the sidewalk.